Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femite video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode, um just showing you the unboxing of this tool set. As you can see, it is actually professional tool set. Comes with a lot in terms of drill bits. That's the main reason why I actually purchase it, because I definitely do a lot of drilling in terms of wall. That's whenever I'm installing um, internet connection. Definitely use a lot, use also a lot of metal. Come with 246 pieces in terms of drill bit. So let's open it, see what it actually looks like. So here you go guys. Wow, definitely a lot in terms of drill bits. So these are actually these should be what, metal, I think. These should be metal drill bits. No, these are actually the hood. These are for wood, these are for metals. So this is the, these are for metals. These also for wood. These are definitely concrete drill bit. Definitely comes with a lot. This if you want to actually create a hole whenever you're putting in locks, definitely a lot. Also come with some screwdriver heads. So here we have some Phillips screwdriver heads there. I have some flat points there. So really comes with a lot. Definitely. So socket opening bolt. I think I pay about $49 for it. So as I said, actually 246 pieces. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.